AK Dairo for inside the studio. Oh my God! Listen, all those guys. Oh my God! Like, wow! This is a something. Hey, boss, I think I want to ask you questions. That you see that video, eh? You just
first of all, you go say welcome to the show.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now, before I talk now, you see that video?
Yeah.
As the video starts, they first show you where you rub Vaseline from out. Where the thing, then you come the waka with cloth, red, black, we get red design for road, we green. Then the girl come waka pass, you come turn. The girl can't go. Now, from that part, the girl can't come. How? Because we don't know exchange number. You know talk. How the girl can't take on your house? That's one. The girl can't come your house. You can't lie on top bed. No. They see the first here. The girl can't they look you. See, I see the girl. When I pass, the girl then suddenly because when I not talk, the girl just disappear. No, but then suddenly. The guy appear for your bed. How? How?
You know, say video in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, give you the time.
You don't even talk to the life for.
See, my
life down for in lap.
How you go pass the way fine? Where you go leave our.
But wait. We know what the Katim, you know what I want to talk. Adibin. See, let us use a critical analysis in Wendum eye to look at this state now. Adibin, he wear full shirt for bed, if it makes sense.
But he wear singlet.
Make una see whether I lie or not. Singlet. Now he wear. Tell me, what thing you do? What make you wear singlet? And
in they relax for your house. Nedu, but in they relax.
In they relax for your house. Then the girl can't disappear.
No, the girl can't sit down. In lie down on top, the girl laps.
The girl can't. The girl not
there on top. That kind of video that time, You know, you allow children they watch this kind of way they toast baby for inside TV. So we can't.
Okay, they can't cut that.
But what I want to ask?
You know, you as an adult, you go understand what you
Hey, my brother, leave that thing. What I want to ask? That girl now there from dumb. She, you just they want to come and they sing. Now the question what I want to ask you. Now after
the reggae,
yeah. Una come wear white and go. Now what I want to ask you, is for this video that time. After who be that girl?
The girl.
You remember her name?
I remember her name now.
What's her name?
Why you want her name?
No, now. You don't say anything.
She don't marry now, so she don't get picking.
You even know. You keep up.
She be my friend, you know. She be, you know, I was looking for a model that time. So the girl we can't see.
No, wait, make I ask you before. Wait, before you answer this question. Wait, before you answer.
Tell us.
No, wait, before you answer the question, make I ask you. So after una shoot this video finish, the customer say, hey, thank you, bye.
Yes, no.
Una no can say again.
Yes, no.
Bros.
Wait.
In the same way as she disappeared.
Some people like me, I know they do that kind of thing for the way they work.
Which kind of thing? I'm not talking anything now.
You think what you think say happen now?
I don't know. I don't think anything.
Anybody where they work, it's now business.
Okay, but how you can't take no the girl name? Can't know now say she don't marry.
Person where I don't work with.
But
we still be friends now. She's still my friend. She's on my Facebook.
Where should they live?
You won't go there. They will beat you tired. They're going to come out your teeth.
Anyway, we'll get Paul play IK Dairo for his studio. Our phone numbers go they open all of fans of Paul IK Dairo. Now go fit begin call now from now to take for talk to Ram.
Focus in song do you that time when Albert come here come dance. Albert say that time in the off light for in room. You on the play.
That time in form the day for ground. That may I ask you one question now? You people know you say you get hit songs from 1980s, 60s, I say 60s.
Nedu. No, but by that time now.
90s, early 2000s.
Yes.
You just disappear.
You don't lost.
Why you disappear? Where you go? Katim say you open shop.
Everything where you not talk before I enter, you hear. Now everything I do. But before that, you know, say I get health problem.
Yes, I remember that time.
That time I make me come relax. Say doctor say make I just relax for a while.
Okay.
But meanwhile, I did do all those things when I talk to I do now I did do.
Okay. All the super parts.
Where I get spare parts. They sell rice.
They sell rice, beans. She said you sell recharge card too.
Everything.
I know that recharge.
You say recharge card. You want to get that.
No, recharge card now.
What do you talk?
Now.
Oh, you say they said DVD for road.
Yes, I did.
You saw DVD?
I'm not safe for
But
road.
say you know you don't hammer, Bidana.
I don't blue now.
You don't blue.
I don't over blue, sir.
Now, ask you, sir.
Okay, say Angel of My Life. Say I use that song, finish guess. I know how to sing the song.
But wait, bros, make I ask you now. I'm not gonna lie, give you. Is it this song, Angel of My Life?
Yes, sir.
Plenty people, some people now they're married because of this song. Some people now get children where not get papa. They don't know where the papa they because of this song. Now, if you go back in time to do this song, you go still do them, knowing fully well say let people carry belly from this song.
No, see, I don't say I go remix them.
With who?
I go for what? I go remix them. So those people where they look for their papa, they go know where their papa is.
Who go remix? No, who you say go do justice to this remix?
No, but seriously, if you go do, I'm not gonna lie, give you. I swear, I feel like me do remix of this song.
No, this
But if you go do remix of this song, people need to say go make can go kill and pass.
Now
Don Jazzy. If Don Jazzy dey for inside them.
Don Jazzy.
No, sorry, Harry song.
Oh, praise.
Hey, praise. No, praise they sing.
nothing song now.
Praise if carry on well now.
Na love song.
LG. Ibrahim, good evening.
Hello.
Ibrahim, good evening. How you doing?
Na from Tali they go know their papa.
Ibrahim, I talk. What do you carry this song to do?
In fact, I just feel like a great for the Alkeda.
He dey hear you.
Bro.
For like, how is your head?
I'm fine, sir. I'm good now.
In fact, I wish you recovery.
It's
Thank
okay
you.
now, you know. He's not sick again.
The interview at the TV continent, I want to see. I'm really very happy. So how was your head now?
Thank you. Thanks. I'm fine. I'm
And
fine
before you
now.
go out, I will need that free of that Angel of My Life. I really love that music.
Yes, thank you.
What do you take as?
What do you talk and do? Ibrahim, what do you use and do that time?
The music, of course, you usually worry that time.
We know. What do you use and do?
What I use what?
The song do.
I use a catch woman now.
Ibrahim, thank you. God bless you for saying the truth. If you go do the mix of this song, Harry song will enter. Now,
I remember.
I remember my ex-girlfriend. Now your song, Angel of My Life, my friend used Colobi how. From Adamoa, good evening. How you doing, my brother?
I did fine, okay.
Oh, yeah, talk to Paul Aiketaro. F-man.
You say,
Why your name be F-man? You get F9 for your wire call.
no, he's a short of Usman.
One F for that. Sorry. Oh, yeah, talk to Paul Aiketaro. This is studio.
You say,
Hey, bye-bye, good night. My hair. Bros, welcome.
Yeah,
now,
Chiamaka say you should do remix with Obi-Wan.
Hey. But bros, reason that thing, no.
I'll go
Remix.
down with now woman I go take I go make her better.
Wait, who
As
you come down with?
maybe Tiwa Savage or Yemi Alade.
Oh, Ishe.
Okay.
Ishe go kill him.
How you take no
With knife. Or with cutlass.
Now, bros, make I ask you. Music, I'm not gonna like give you you not go see this kind of song again this time. And more not because this kind of song. Now, if you do them this time, it go day different. You go because a lot of things don't they added. Now, music for your time, that time when it be say you did that time. Compare them to this time. What will be the difference between
now,
the
music
two?
of the 90s.
90s, early 2000 to now, where people don't they tear club. Compare them now. What will be the
The difference will be say, some music they evolve, they change with time, and some people they do some comments will be seen a classic.
Okay.
Anywhere where you see like something like John Legend, now go come and go release one song, everybody go listen to them. Some artists be like that, we say their music is timeless.
Okay.
But the kind of music when they play now, you don't listen to it in 3 months, you don't finish. You don't pick another one, you don't finish. So those are the music of the time of now.
You know they last.
But if you be artists, we say they do classic music where they come up with.
I'm a classic man.
You don't delete now. You they jump up to Moshori now. Which time they release them?
It's not true.
So artists they different. If you want to follow those people where they do this kind of style now, you go line up. I know we will pay you. So continue on your own line. People, Nigeria is full of 150 million people, or 160 million people. There are some people who say they still like this kind of music where they play. Some people don't like when they go club. They won't go house. They won't listen to different music. They won't stay inside car. They won't listen to another kind of music.
Exactly.
So only when they go, then they go listen that kind. So we say no talk say generality of Nigerians. Nah, this kind of music they like. It's wrong to say that because the kind of message I get from my fans on Facebook, on Twitter, on so many platforms, even internationally. That's why I carry one new song come. I don't want to come because I know how they do high life music. High life music is where you reach grassroots, where everybody like. But the last music what you do before you come out for sing, they're very important.
Yeah, it's very important.
Because as you come out, if you can't come out with Ambe, they're going to say, but the music of now in the rain now, but other people still they listen to other stuff. We still,
But you go let me talk through. You go sing song still because say people don't they miss them. That you hear a voice for angel of my life.
Hello, sorry, more TikTok. Wait, I don't hear what you talk now. Hello, good evening, Chris. Chris from Niger State.
Yeah, I'm with you.
With you?
I'm with you, Nedu.
I think I'm with you.
No, yeah, I'm with you.
Hey, I'm with you. I say with you. Chris, I hear you. Good evening. I'm sorry. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of the screen. Make you begin the call us. So take follow Paul IK Tyro talk. He did for Inside Studio. In fact, I'm not going to talk the things with some people where I know. Not beside they call it a name, not beside they call it name. But anyway, we could watch one of the videos of Paul IK that this song till tomorrow. Till next tomorrow, till next year, this song will still there. As in TikTok, not the music of now when you say if you plan back, it don't go. You get some songs where you go fit. Where you say you hear 3 months ago now. Where say if you play them now,
old school.
It don't become old school. It don't turn old school. Now you get some songs when even come out after Paul IK. You get some songs I remember you come out 2009. Now old school. Anyway, we could watch Mosorire, Eletami, Motupe.
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.